Hello everyone, I'm Elena. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. You have to excuse me today, my voice is a little bit croaky. I do have my tea here though. So the big news is Birchbox September has arrived. I'm filming this on the 15th of October. Hopefully I get this up for you on the Sunday the 16th. This arrived I think on the 12th of October. I think it's been quite common in the UK. A lot of beauty boxes have had delays in September. I think all of them were maybe concentrating on getting the advent calendars out, but Birchbox took the cake. Is that how you say it? Birchbox took the top prize for the most delayed beauty box in September because it didn't arrive until almost mid-October. So as you can see from the packaging, this is an old bag that they've used in the past. I think it was sometime last year that they've used this bag. So I am wondering whether they had issues with the actual box. If you look on the website, there has been a logo change. So maybe they had issues with that. I had a quick look at the leaflet in here, and the leaflet is a little bit different. So they did send out an email about mid-September about boxes being delayed, and I did offer an extra 10% off the Birchbox shop, and then they emailed again at the end of September saying that boxes will start being shipped from the beginning of October, and we should start seeing the boxes arriving from Monday the 10th of October, which was true for me. So this is my 6th box from my prepaid 6-month subscription. I have cancelled, not because of the delays, but because I don't want to keep another 6-month subscription. I just wanted to see if it was worth it, and I will do a video reviewing the whole service and if it was worth it for me, just in case it will help you decide whether Birchbox is worth it for you or not. Although with the recent changes, I'm not entirely sure how Birchbox is going to be going forward. To be fair, I haven't seen any adverts for Birchbox starting with last month. I think it was mid last month I started seeing adverts for Birchbox, and I used to see them every single month. So I'm not quite sure what's happening with them. I obviously have no clue. I'm just a regular customer, just like everyone else. Before I get into this bag, as usual, I will do a little review of my August box. Okay, so August Birchbox. This mask from Lapos, as you can see, I have used it. Like this gave me a bit of a giggle, but I found it completely useless. Unless you are perfectly still for 20 minutes, it will come off. And I haven't noticed any difference whatsoever, but then again, it was hard to actually have the mask on properly. Completely pointless from my point of view. Not something that I would buy if I had the opportunity to. Gives me a bit of a giggle when it's in a beauty box, but yeah, pointless. Next I had this little travel size of the Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum from Balance Me. I have used it up. I have quite enjoyed it for in the morning. I don't think it's hydrating enough to use in the evening, but it does give a little bit of brightening and a little bit of hydration. So it was quite nice in the morning. Then I had the Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner. I don't have it with me because I haven't started using it. I still have another one, so it's still in this packaging. There's no point in bringing it. I did say last time I had another one. I had a little shampoo from Green Frog Botanic, the Argan and Rose Oil. I haven't used it up. I still have a little bit, but it's really, really nice. It has a very subtle scent of rose. It smells quite nice actually, and it leaves my hair feeling very hydrated, which is really nice. I think it said, yeah, that it would leave hair deeply hydrated and nourished, and I do think it does that. So I think this is a great find. If you are into shampoo bars, this might be a nice one to try. And then the last thing in here was this little sample of the Hyken's Hyaluronic Acid Concentrate. Strong smelling of cucumber, but again nice to use in the morning, very refreshing. and it felt nice on the skin. It sank in quite quickly. I have used it up in case you're wondering. So yeah, a really nice one to use. Now first of all, let's talk about the bag itself. I really like it. It's really nice. You could use it. Could you use it for... I'm not sure whether you could use it for cosmetics because it's like a soft material inside, not plasticky like it feels here. But you could use it for all sorts. It could be used as a clutch as well. Not that I would use it as a clutch, but very handy to have and very pretty design. I really like the design, and I like this rope detail as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the leaflet. As you can see, we've got a new logo down here, and it says joy cannot be contained, discover yours. And the paper is a little bit thinner and the leaflet itself is smaller, so they are a little saving on paper there, which I personally do not mind at all. Usually they have the design of the box there. They don't this time, maybe because of all the changes they've been through. And it even says on here, seeing two different logos, do not worry, we're going through an exciting transition, so you may see our classic and new logo. And they are celebrating their 12th birthday. In the month of September, they have partnered with Results Wellness and Lifestyle, and they will give the subscriber an exclusive webinar, which I'm not sure when that was supposed to be. Yeah, it says stay tuned for details, so who knows. And that's probably fallen through. And there is a QR code with exclusive offers and content from Spruce and Simi. I never use this QR code, so it doesn't really matter for me. I don't know if the offers will still be available, seeing that this didn't arrive until October. Okay, so let me just start taking things out of the bag, and then we'll see which ones they are and tell you about them. So first we have the Hydrate Primer from Jekka Black. We have a 20ml size. I do have a glowy primer from Jekka Black, which I really enjoy, so I'm actually really happy to have a different kind of primer from Jekka Black. I know the glowy ones were put in subscription boxes quite a bit lately, so really happy to see a hydrating one. This is supposed to be a full size and it's worth £16. And this primer is enriched with aloe juice and shea butter to ensure your makeup will last longer and your skin is perfectly prepped for foundation. So I'm very excited to try this. Next, we have from Wild Science Lab the Night Watch Resilience Moisturizer. And this has 1% bakuchiol and hyaluronic acid. So this sounds like a good moisturizer. We have, what size have we got here? A 10ml size, and a full size is worth £38. It says reach for this powerful moisturizer as the final step in your evening skincare routine. 98.6% naturally derived. Its dynamic formula contains sweet almond oil and bakuchiol to improve skin tone and texture while also aiding collagen production. So yeah, this sounds really good. I do wonder whether it smells like almond. So it feels very lightweight. It smells really nice. I think it does have a hint of almond, but it also smells quite flowery. Yeah, I do like scents in my skincare. Ooh, that turned into a more like deeper herby scent, and I do like scents in skincare, especially in evening. Oh, I think I'll enjoy that one. Next we have a scalp shampoo from Sacha Juan. It's a Stockholm brand, so I'm not sure whether I should pronounce it Sacha Juan or Sacha Juan. I have no clue. So the scalp shampoo, we're very excited about this one. It's supposed to be perfect for hair types prone to dryness and dandruff. I do have dandruff now and again. It's a vegan and cruelty formula, contains rosemary oil and salicylic acid. So again, sounds really good. 30ml we're getting here, a full size is worth £25. This one does have a scent. I couldn't tell you what it is though. It's quite pleasant though. Next we have this from Sukin. This is the original hydrating mist toner. Ooh. The size we have here is 50 ml, so pretty good size. A full size is £7.95. It's made from a blend of chamomile and rose water. It's perfect to spray it all over when your skin feels tired or stressed. I do want to try it now, so let's... Ooh. Okay. We're gonna give it a go. So the mist is now very even. It definitely gives bigger sprays at the bottom, but it feels nice. Smells nice. Yeah, I can definitely smell the rose, and it refreshes the skin, so this is a good one to have on makeup as well. I will definitely use this one because I like sprays just to refresh your face throughout the day, but if you don't like rose scents, you might not like this one. And the last thing in here is an eyeshadow trio. This is in shade Nurture Neutral. This eyeshadow trio is from the brand Kinda, and it's a full size and it's worth £16. I'm really loving the packaging, but it's a bit hard to open. Finally got there. There's not much to grab onto to pull the lid off, and this is what the eyeshadows look like. And I will do a little quick swatch of these. Oh, these feel nice. So more rosy tone eyeshadows, really nice. So I'll just do a little recap. We've got a moisturizer, we've got a scalp shampoo, we got a facial mist, like mist toner, and then we've got two makeup items, which I love. We've got a primer from Jacka Black, moisturizing primer, and then we've got this eyeshadow trio. Everything I got in my box or in my bag this month is something that I know I will use and I will enjoy using, or at least I will enjoy trying it. So I'm very pleased with everything I got in here. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will do a 6-month review of Birchbox, and I will give you a review of the September box. And I also intend to use all the makeup products that I got in my 6 boxes during that video. So kind of like a get ready with me testing makeup and also giving you a review of Birchbox. So I'm hoping that you will come back for that. Make sure you are subscribed and make sure you hit the bell so you know when I upload that video. But do let me know in the comments what you think of September Birchbox. Bar the delays. If you are subscribed to Birchbox, let me know if you got your September Birchbox, and if you got any information about the October box. I haven't seen anything about that online or anything, but then again, I'm not subscribed to them anymore. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!